welcome back to CodeCraft. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a bunk bed. So see, we have these beds here. It's going to be a really quick video. And, well, they're not kind of how you would like them. So I'm going to make it cooler. Alright. So first, mind your beds if your beds are like this. Next, take out the windows that are here and then replace them with blocks. Now what you gotta do is open your inventory and then look for beds. Like this. Alright, now place the bed you want down here. And then, well, actually make sure you move it back one block. There. Oh, there. And then you need to place a ladder. And also grab some trapdoors. All the trapdoors you need is 2, but I'm creative, so I can use plenty. Next, put the trapdoors over that bed, and then place a block, so you can crouch and put the bed there. Next, grab your bed that you're gonna put on top, and then crouch. Place it. Well, I don't know if trapdoors is gonna work, but try using something else instead of trapdoors. Like slabs. I don't know if slabs work. Any kind of slabs work. If it will not float. Now get your slabs. And then place a bed. There. And then break the block you were standing on and then place a ladder. Now you have bunk beds. That's it for the video. I know it was short, but it's gotta be. See you in another one. Bye.